in part 6 of this series. We stopped at question number 13, and I promise you that we will continue from question 14, right? So this video is our preparation video on use of English for you writing JAMB. Of course, you know use of English is compulsory. There is no way you are running away from it, and I've told you that our goal in Noble Tutorials YouTube channel is to ensure that all of you scores at least 300 in your JAMB. You watching this video must get at least 300 in your JAMB. Do you believe it? If you believe it, you let me know. Comment I believe it. Comment I believe it in the comment. But then we have been on a series. I've been giving you videos, Expo questions, practice questions from use of English to Lekki Headmaster to the JAMB novel you'll be using to the other JAMB subjects. So we are very, very serious in this channel. Now, in this video, we are continuing. This is video 7. This is part 7. We are doing on possible questions from use of English. Possible questions, Expo questions, past questions. I want you to pay attention. Go over and watch what we have done on video 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then this is 7, and the other videos we will be doing. Remember also that if you watch this particular video from beginning to the end, you will qualify to get free JAMB past question and free JAMB syllables from me. If you are able to watch this very video you are watching, you watch it from beginning to the end, I'm going to send you free JAMB past question and free JAMB syllables. Do you get me? So let's dive into question 14. Remember what we have been okay, let's even start from question 12, right? So that you follow very well. Okay, let's just start from question 14. Choose the option that best completes the gap. Choose the option that best completes the gap. In part 6, we did from 1 to 13. So here we are continuing from 13 downwards. He wrote to you. Choose the option that best completes the gap. Choose the option that best completes the gap. He wrote to you, dash. He wrote to you, A, hadn't he? B, wouldn't he? C, didn't he? D, hasn't he? The answer is C, didn't he? That is why watching these past questions we are doing is very important, because if you don't watch it, you may not really know. Failing JAMB English is very easy because most of the options are very, very related. Most of the options are very, very related, right? So you need to watch. You need to practice more. Number 15. The clubs were not dashed on a solid ethical base. The clubs were not dashed on a solid ethical base. Which of the options best fills this gap? A, funded. B, found. C, created. D, founded. The clubs were not founded. That is, they did not originate. They did not create the club. So you can see that in this option, created can fit in, but they say the one that can best fit in is founded. That is to found something, to found a club, to found a business. Okay, are you with me? I hope you are following me so far. Remember, if you watch this video from now to the end, you will qualify to get free JAMB syllables. Some of you don't know that you should read with your syllables. Some of you don't know that you should read with your past question. That is why for every member of this channel, I'm giving you free JAMB syllables, free past question. If you watch from now to the end, I will show you how I can send it to you. Okay? Number 16. Are you with me? Are you following? Are you following? His father hardly misses the news because he goes about with his dash radio. His father hardly misses his news. His father hardly misses the news because he goes about with his dash radio. A, pointable radio. B, portable radio. C, portable radio. D, portable radio. The answer, you can see that it is very, very confusing. That is why you need to study, watch the videos I am giving you on use of English, watch the video I'm giving you on Lakey Headmaster, the JAMB novel. If you have not watched the videos we have on JAMB novel, let me know. Just tell me to give you the link. Just tell me to give you the link to all the videos I have done on Lakey Headmaster, JAMB novel. If you have also want me to give you the link to all the videos we have done on use of English, ask me. I will give you these links free of charge. His father hardly misses the news because he goes about with his dash radio, pointable radio, portable radio, portable radio, and portable radio. The answer is D, portable radio. P-O-R-T-A-B-L-E. Portable means something that can move, that is movable, right? Something that can be movable, that can easily shifted from one place to the other. Everybody, so we are continuing to question 17, right? Everybody is allowed to dash his view on state matters. Everybody is allowed to dash his view. Somebody can say, allow me to do dash my view. So we'll know the correct answer. A, to air his view. B, to hear his view. C, to show his view. D, to share his view. The answer is A, to air your view. That's why they say air your view. You are free to air your view. It means you are free to say how you feel. You are free to give your own 2 cents. You are free to give your own opinion. Okay? Let's look at the question of 18. For beating Dash's classmate, Abji was dashed from the university. This one is 2 in 1. This one is double barrel question. So I need you to be careful when answering. For beating Dash's classmate, Abji was dashed from the university. A. For beating up his classmate, he was rusticated. B. For beating on, he was expelled. C. For beating at, he was removed. D. For beating away, he was sent out. The answer is A. For beating up his classmate, he was rusticated. That means he was expelled. But you cannot choose B because it doesn't have up. That is why you need to be very, very careful. You have 40 seconds to answer 180 questions in JAMB. You have 40 seconds to answer 180 questions in JAMB. So you need to be careful. Keep watching the videos we are giving you. Very, very, very important. Number 19. We have been living peacefully here, but dash hear rumors of war. The options. We have been living peacefully here, but dash hear rumors of war. A. But again hear rumors of war. B. But slowly hear rumors of war. C. But occasionally hear rumors of war. D. But eventually hear rumors of war. The answer is C. Occasional. That means once in a while they hear rumors of war. Number 20. Our neighbor was attracted by the dash from my mother's cooking. This one the senior cook we know. I hope you are following. Don't they carried away by the aromas of the soup. Our neighbor was attracted by the dash from my mother's cooking. A. Flavor. B. Trench. C. Scent. D. Aroma. The answer is aroma. The answer is what? Aroma from my mother's cooking. In the next video, in video 8, what you are watching now is video 7. In video 8, we are going to continue with the remaining questions, JAMB questions on use of English. Now, if you want to receive free JAMB syllables, free JAMB past question, it is simple. What you just need to do is like this video. This particular video you are watching, just click on like. It's very simple. Then share this video. When you share this video, click on the link to this video. Share it on all the WhatsApp group, all the YouTube group, all the Facebook group, LinkedIn group, Twitter X group that you belong to, all the group you belong to for JAMB candidates. Click on this link and share it to them so that they can also benefit. Then most importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Once you click on subscribe, come under the comment and type I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send to you all the materials I've promised you. There is a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it and watch it now.